Welcome to Tasty Malayali, the place where flavors burst and aromas make your mouth water. Let's make a rich, creamy and juicy Afghani chicken. This recipe is packed with buttery goodness, nutty cashews, fresh spices and soft tender chicken that melts in your mouth. Let's dive into this delicious recipe. Take 1 kilogram chicken for the best flavor, ready to marinate. Add 1 big onion into a mixer jar. 3 fresh green chilies for mild spicy kick. 20 grams of garlic. 20 grams of ginger. 50 grams of cashew nuts to give the gravy a rich creamy texture. A handful of fresh coriander leaves. 4 tablespoons of thick curd. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. 3/4 teaspoon pepper powder. 1/4 teaspoon garam masala. Squeeze 1/2 lemon for a light tangy flavor. Salt to taste. Grind everything into a smooth creamy paste. Rub the smooth, flavorful paste generously over the chicken pieces, coating every pieces evenly so the spices, curd, and cashew mixtures soak deeply into the meat. Let the chicken rest for 1 hour so the flavors soak deeply into the meat. Heat a pan and add 3 tablespoons of ghee for that rich Afghani flavor. Add the marinated chicken pieces into the pan. Keep the remaining masala in a bowl, we will use it later for the gravy. Fry the chicken for about 1 minute on both sides, just until slightly half-cooked. Once done, remove the chicken and keep aside. In the same pan, add the remaining masala paste. Add a little water if needed so the gravy becomes smooth and coats the chicken well. Once the masala starts boiling and releasing aroma, add the fried chicken back into the pan. Close the lid and cook gently. Meanwhile, fry 1 large sliced onion until golden brown and keep it aside. Open the pan lid, release the rich aroma, and add the golden, crispy fried onions to enhance flavor and texture. Sprinkle some chili flakes for a slight heat. Sprinkle crushed kasuri methi for that authentic aroma. Add 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder. Close the lid again and cook for 2 more minutes so all flavors blend perfectly. Add 3 tablespoons of fresh cream for extra richness and mix gently. It makes the gravy more creamy. And there you have it, creamy, juicy, flavorful Afghani chicken ready to serve. Perfect with naan, roti or ghee rice. The aroma alone will make everyone hungry. Authentic Kerala flavors on Tasty Malayali. Join us for more spicy tasty recipes.